Ordering milk tea usually takes over half an hour, but with this method, you can sip on a healthy homemade version in just 5 minutes. Toss in leftover tea leaves, no need to be stingy. Add some sugar, a splash of water, and microwave on high for 3 minutes. You want that deep caramel-like color, that's where the flavor is. Pour in milk, give it a stir, and back into the microwave on high for another 2 minutes. Nothing beats the real ingredients you make yourself. Even the milk skin has foam on top. Strain it and you can drink it right away. But I'm adding a little extra taro balls. Just cover them with hot water, microwave on high for 3 minutes, and it's done. Rinse them in cold water, saute them perfectly bouncy and chewy. Add ice, pour in your homemade milk tea, and oh my goodness, it's so delicious, better than any shop bought milk tea.